Did you know that when you lose weight, most of the fat actually leaves your body as carbon dioxide when you breathe out? That's right, you exhale it. And stick around because in just a moment we'll see how much food it actually takes to gain 1 kilo of fat and how much you'd have to burn to lose it. You'll be surprised. But first, we need to understand how fat actually leaves your body. How does fat stored in your belly or arms somehow end up leaving through your nose and mouth? Let's break it down step by step. Think of fat as a savings account of energy. Your body stores it inside fat cells, called adipocytes, as triglycerides, tiny droplets of fuel waiting to be used. When you eat less than you burn, or when you exercise, your body sends out a signal. Hormones like adrenaline tell your fat cells, open the vault. Triglycerides then break down into glycerol and fatty acids, which enter your bloodstream as little packets of energy ready to be used by your muscles and organs. Inside your cells, in the mitochondria, the tiny power plants of your body, those fatty acids get oxidized and turned into ATP, the molecule that powers everything you do, lifting a weight, walking to the fridge, or even just breathing. So where does the fat go after it's used? Most of it turns into carbon dioxide, which you breathe out with every exhale. The rest becomes water, which you lose through urine, tears, and yes, sweat. But here's the catch. Sweating doesn't mean you're burning fat. It just means you're losing water. Remember what I said earlier? Here comes the big reveal. To put this into perspective, losing 1 kilo of fat means burning about 7,700 calories. Imagine Timmy trying to count that up. That's like eating 110 eggs, or almost 3 large pepperoni pizzas, all packed into a single kilo of body fat. Now here's where many people go wrong. They think they can eat a ton of junk food and simply work it off later. It doesn't work that way. A single large pizza can pack more than 3,000 calories. To burn that off, you'd have to run for over 4 hours at a steady pace, just for that one meal. Not exactly practical. Exercise isn't a magic eraser for bad food choices. It's a tool. It helps you keep muscle, improves your metabolism, and gives you a little more wiggle room in your daily intake. But the real key is what you eat. So now you know, fat doesn't melt away. It doesn't just vanish, and it definitely doesn't drip out in sweat. You convert it into energy, and most of it leaves your body with every breath you take. And here's my question for you. What part of the human body would you like us to explore in a future video? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more science curiosities with Timmy.